Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn about a continuous and baseline dimension. So both of these options are not in annotation panel under home tab. For that I will just go here in annotate tab and you can see one of the panel that is dimension. So under this these two options are, one is continue and second is baseline. So first we will see the continue option. In this case, first I have to just create this linear dimension. I will click over here and I will just give first point as this point and second point as this point, and I will place this dimension somewhere over here. Okay, now I will just go here in continue option. I will select this one and you will notice that it is just starting from the end point of this linear dimension that I have created earlier. Okay, so then I will just give second point. Now you will notice it is not going to end. It is asking again for the next point. So again second point, this point, this point, this point, and this point. This is how you can just create a continue dimension. So we can just create this through linear dimension as well, but that is very time consuming. Hope you understand this continue option. Let me just escape this one and let's see what is the baseline option. So let me just paint over here. Okay, and I want to just activate again linear dimension. It is also very important to create a linear dimension for baseline dimension as well. So I will just select this one, then I will give first point and then second point, and I will place it somewhere here. Now I will just go here, I will click on this drop down and the second option here is baseline. So I will click over here and you will notice that it is just starting from the start point of this linear dimension, and it will took this point as a base point in every situation. So I will just give second point as this point. Now this is the base point. Now again I will just give third point as this point and it will took that point as a base point again. Now fourth point, then second point. Okay, then again next and then next. Now you will notice that it is just taking this point every time as a base point. Okay, this is why this is called as baseline dimension. Now if you just want to increase or decrease the spacing between these two lines, these two dimension lines, you can just increase or decrease that as well. Simply I will just click over here to activate dimension style manager, then I will go here in modify and I will select this line tab, and under this you can see one of the option that is baseline spacing. Right now it is selected as 30 unit. Okay, so if you want to just increase the spacing, you have to just increase the value, and if you want to just decrease the spacing, you have to just decrease the value from here. Okay, so right now it is okay for me, so I will just press OK, then set front, and I will just close this one. So this is all about this session. Hope you understand this session. We'll see you in the next.